Picture this. You're poolside at the Olympics, the water's sparkling, and someone yells, "Let's turn this into a giant Jell-O dive." But why stop there? What if we scaled it up to gel the entire Pacific Ocean? How much gelatin would it take? How long would it set? And here's the twist. Is it even possible with all that salty seawater? Buckle up, because we're splashing into this sticky mess with science, laughs, and a wobbly good time. Let's start small, well, kinda small. An Olympic pool. These bad boys hold about 660,000 gallons of water, or roughly 5.3 million cups. You know, the kind you measure for your morning coffee. Gelatin's our star here, that jiggly magic. From Jell-O boxes. One packet, about 7 grams, gels 2 cups of water. So, for 5.3 million cups, we'd need, quick math, 2.65 million grams of gelatin. That's 5,830 pounds, or nearly 3 tons. Imagine a pickup truck stuffed with gelatin packets enough to make every diver's splashdown a bouncy treat. At $10 a pound for bulk gelatin, you're dropping $58,000. Pricey, but doable if you've got a rich uncle or a spare gold medal to hawk. Now, timing. A Jell-O cup sets in 2 to 4 hours in the fridge. For a pool, you'd heat the water to 100 degrees Fahrenheit to dissolve the gelatin easy with a jumbo pool heater. Stir it with, say, a canoe paddle squad, then cool it to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Scaling up, it might take 6 to 8 hours to firm up, assuming perfect mixing. By morning, you've got a pool-sized Jell-O mold. Divers might hate it, but the Instagram pics? Priceless. Okay, let's dream bigger the Pacific Ocean. It's not just a pool, it's a beast with 155 million cubic miles of water. That's 710 quintillion cups, 710 with 18 zeros. Or, get this, 283 billion Olympic pools. Using our Jell-O ratio, we'd need 780 trillion pounds of gelatin. That's 60 times the weight of the whole US, land and all. We churn out 900 million pounds of gelatin a year, so stockpiling that much would take 866,000 years. Hope you've got a long weekend planned. However, that's how many years it'd take if the ocean were fresh, but the Pacific is salty. Like 3.5% salt by weight, 35 grams per liter. Does that ruin our Jell-O party? You bet. Salt messes with gelatin's ability to form its wobbly web. Lab tests show even 1% salt weakens the gel. At 3.5%, it's a gloopy mess. For our Olympic pool with fresh water, we're golden. But the Pacific's brine? We'd need way more gelatin maybe. Double or triple toe fight the salt. Call it 2 trillion pounds. Plus, salt slows the setting, so instead of weeks, we're talking months if it even holds. The ocean's 2 miles deep, so the bottom might stay liquid while the top turns into fish-trapping blobs. And producing that much gelatin? We need a cow army bigger than Texas. So, the pool? Totally doable. 3 tons of gelatin, $58,000, and a night of stirring. The Pacific? No way. Salt kills the vibe. The scale's insane, and we'd torch the planet trying. Picture whales belly flopping on a gelatin trampoline. It's chaos. Stick to the pool party. Folks cheaper, tastier, and way less likely to tick off Poseidon. If you love this jiggly ride, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your wildest question for next time. See you soon. Keep it fun. Keep it bouncy.